Looks like the excavator's scooping up the dirt. Look at that, Noxie. Wow, that's pretty cool. I like that one.
Look at this guy over here.
What guy?
This guy. This guy.
Oh, I'm not sure. It looks like he's like a front loader maybe carrying some pipes. Is that what it is, you think? The excavator's pretty impressive though. I like him. He's got his big arms scooping up the stuff. We can't go in the construction site though, baby. Got big machinery. I don't know what that guy in the background's doing. It's pretty cool, baby. I've never seen an excavator that close up, have you? I like it. It's in action. I'm getting it on videotape. Yeah, he's moving all the dirt everywhere.
What?
What's this guy doing over here? Looks like he's carrying pipes or something. Yeah, it looks like that's a front end loader, right? He's lifting up all the pipes and moving it to a different area of the job site.
Here's a pinch.
He's a pincher?